What's up everybody? Hope we are doing well wherever you are. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Sasa yani hata كويس عشان زي habari yako ايوه sasa
So guys, on today's video I'm just going to show you, I'm going to share with you part of fridge cleaning and fridge arrangement. Let's go to the video. So first of all guys, we have these two fridges as you see now. We have this one grayish and the other one white. So in normal days we use these grays. So as you see guys, I have already removed everything because my Waititu was there. I would have not been able to shoot. So I decided just to start and let her go first. As you see, everything is on the table. I have there our tomatoes. I've already washed those glasses as you see. So the next thing I'm now going to wash inside the fridge. After emptying everything, as you see, I've removed the glasses, have washed them. Now the next thing, so I'm going now to wash the inside. So I don't know guys, you can share with me down there on the comment section. When washing the fridge, do you put it off or what is it? Because me as you see now it's on because of light, so I decided to leave it on. So at now I saw that the camera I'm doing what the camera, so I decided to change the position of the camera to put it at a place where you can see guys. Guys, I really thank you so much for your support. I can't manage without you guys. You are doing well. Keep on supporting me guys. Remember to subscribe. Sasa.
Sasa هذا جديد كيف يعني sasa yani hata كويس
عشان زي habari yako ايوه sasa nilikuwa
رد عليها او يا كويا
كوا ايوه اقول لك كوا ايوه So guys, I've been talking in my Waititu. Waititu is my madam's husband. Yes, Kenyans to call them as Waititu. So I was teaching him. You know, they have a relative or a friend who comes from Kenya. So he knows Swahili. So when he goes, maybe when he comes in the kitchen, when nowadays when he greets me, he just say habari yako. In Swahili we say habari yako, that's how are you. Then when you answer we say mzuri. Now when he came in, it's when now look at this guy. This baby wants to enter inside, imagine. Because it's cool now, he have removed everything. Now he wants to use it as a house. So as I was telling you, when he come inside, nowadays he greets me like that. So that's why he was telling me about yako. So I was telling him that we have another way of greeting also. You can say sasa, then you answer poa. So yeah, I was telling him poa. Now he tell me koa. What's koa? Oh guys, like share and subscribe. Confirm that if you have subscribed. Road to 2,000 subscribers, guys. And also when you need support, maybe an upcoming subscriber, make sure you also comment down there. See you guys, here is where I have kept my camera throughout the cleaning. So now this time it's the time now I have to clean outside. Guys, I am always clean. My ears, my eyes are always sharp. I work, but I have to make sure I have to confirm security. I work as I check because as I'm cleaning now, everybody's in the house. Apart from my madam went out for some few minutes, then she came back. And to see here where I have kept my camera is a place where I have tap water for utensils. Now that's how you see I'm washing that around. I like this cloth, guys. I like it. Is my best among all the clothes. I can even put it where I can go even with it somewhere. I just like it more than other clothes. Now I've finished to wash outside. It's the time now to return those glasses. As you see, I've already washed them, have wiped them. They are clean now. Those who have been watching me, they already know our kitchen how it is. So guys, if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section there of anything you want to know. So as you see now, this is the final results before arranging those things. So our food doesn't have things to eat, guys. As you see, we don't have things to eat. This is dates. Dates. All of this is dates, guys. Different varieties of dates. As you see. Sometimes when I'm hungry, yeah, I decided that just do this. But it's because it's end month. It's end month, so things have not been bought. That's why it's like that. Because they usually shop maybe like twice or thrice per month. So now there's nothing, only tomatoes. So here we have these are cakes. The remaining cake, then that one down is kunafa. I don't know if you know kunafa. Then those keys top, we have rice. The remaining rice after people eating, we put in a case. I'm telling you, kids, and you don't know what is case. Case is a plastic paper bag. I put there for birds. Then this one is acidic vinegar, and the other one I don't know. It's a syrup for what? Then this one, guys, I don't know. Some things here we have pepper, pepper for food, and other things that is vinegar. And there, this also is dates. Dates we call in Swahili tende. All this is dates. Then the other one down, I don't know if you know something we call here halawa. I don't know what it's called in English. But it's a combination of sesame. With the here is chicken. I cooked chicken now it was kept in food. It remained and we decided to put in food. So now guys, as you see, I've remained few things there to return inside. These tomatoes are not the same as the other one table, so that it's kept aside. Then here we have paper. We call what? Capsicum. Then this one we call cubes. Cubes. Those who have been watching my videos, these are cubes. The one we eat like chapati. All this. See another dates here. For those who know, Saudi is just full of dates. Dates are too much. Here is sugar. Then here I have mango. Have here. These are. Hey guys, we have full of many things. This is Nutella. Yeah. That's it, guys. I have already arranged them as you see. It's well arranged, but guys, in this house, even if I arrange like this, 2 hours later you just get everything where it is. You can tell me in comment section, guys, how is your house? Do your things remain arranged or they? So guys, I have already gone to another fridge. I will have this. I will start by removing everything as you see it's empty. Now this fridge is full of cereals. We have these dates, another dates. Full of cereals. We have ground nuts. We have system. We have flour. Baking flour is kept inside there. We have snacks for tea. For their tea. Those one are the one I have to do their snacks. We have sunflower, like this one is sunflower. Usually use it with, they take it with tea. Strong tea, the black tea. I don't know how they call it. So I start by removing this. So this food is just mainly for those cereals, but the another one is the one we use for a daily basis. But this one, it keeps mainly cereals, things that cannot be used maybe on a daily basis. We have like amando. We have like this uncooked cereals. So here now I have finished washing them. I was not able to show on the camera because of space, and also my Waiguru came, my madam, let me say like that, because most of you don't know who is Waiguru. Let me say my madam. So as you see here, I've already finished, have wiped, have arranged, have returned those layers. So now I have to return things inside. As I told you, my madam has come. So I had to to record when she has gone outside in the other room. So after arrangement, this is the final results. But now guys, after that, because of my storage, phone storage is disturbing me. Here the other side, these things I'll just wash it outside the camera.